Welcome back, my dear kids. So here we go for one more activity for you. Here, three different numbers were given, right? In the triangle, three different numbers were mentioned. Here, 2, 3, and 5 was mentioned, right? So based on these three number, whether you will do a addition or subtraction or multiplication, whatever you do, you have to get the value in between what is given. 16 was given, right? So you have to identify this value. Likewise only for the all the remaining triangles. So once if you found for the first triangle the answer, then you can check the same condition for the second one and third one, then you can do the same method to complete this third triangle. Is it clear? So you have to identify with the help of which combination we are going to complete it. In the first video we have seen that first we have done the multiplication, then we have done the addition, then we have added the answer of both, right? So likewise, whether it is coming like the same or not, you have to check. Once if you identify it based on which one you are getting the answer, then you can continue checking for the second one. After checking that, you can identify the result for the last triangle, that means the fourth triangle. Is it clear? So now here I am going to check. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So it is not there. And again 2 plus 3, it is 5. 5 into 5, it is 15. So that is also not coming, right? Correct or not? So I'm going to check like a 3 into 5. It is, if I am doing multiplication of this, 15 came already. So that is also not the possible. So what I am going to do is 3 plus 5. It is 8. 8 into 2, 16. Shall I check the same thing for the next one? 1 plus 7, 8. 8 into 5, 40. So it came perfectly, right? So the answer for this is I have to do a addition for the bottom one, then I have to multiply that particular added value with the top value. See, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. With that 8, if I am multiplying this 2, then I will receive 16. So if I am checking for the second one also, 1 plus 7, 8. 8 into 5, 40. Likewise, 9 plus 2, 11. 11 into 3, 33, right? So what is the answer for this? 3 into 6? No, 3 plus 6, 9. 9 into 8? 9 into 8, it isn't 78. This is an answer for this question. Clear? So you have to identify in which manner they asked. Whether you can do a multiplication, addition, division, anything, but that the same case or that the same format, whether they are continuing for the next two terms or not, you have to verify. That's it. So shall we go for the series again, kids? So just we have seen three series, right? So here we are coming for the fourth one. See, in each of the following letter series, same letter are missing, which are given in that order as one of the alternatives. So what they ask means here one letter, two letter, three letter is missing, right? So that three letter they are mentioned like this. So you have to identify what is the answer and you have to mention it over here. Is it clear? See here, A, B, again A. So again B should come. B. So A, B, A, B, right? So if I am checking only for this, in between A and A, B and A, B. So B, A, B, where it is? Here it is, right? So this I have to tick or circle. Okay? Next, come back for this. So B, A should come. B, A, B, A, B, A. Correct. So here A, B, A. So where it is? A, B, A. Here it is. So that I have to mark. It's very, very easiest one, right? So just come back for this. So here A is there. Two letter is missing. Again double A, double B is there. So how it is possible? So I can write like a here also I can write double A. If I am writing A, then I can have to write B over here, right? So if I am writing B, then here also it should be a B, right? So that is not possible. Am I right? So in which manner it should come? So what manner it should come? So if I am skipping this A, so I'm just imagine that this A is not at all there. So before double A, double B should come, right? So double B, A, double B again. So here again A should come. So BBA, where it is? So here it is, right? BBA. So that will be the answer for that. Is it clear? So the next one, double A, B is there. Again, I can write double B. That means B, A, I can write, right? So B, A, where it is? B, A. So the option A it is. So the same letter in a continuous way, but two letters may be continuous or three letters may be continuous. In that manner, we have to identify the series and we have to answer for the questions. See here triple A came, one letter is missing here, again two letters there. So I can write B over here, then A, again double B. So that answer won't come, right? So what other possibilities are there? So if I am checking that, if I am writing B over here, so after B, A is here, right? So if I am writing B, then again A, if I am writing, again double B will come. So I can make a series, right? So what I can write? That is what I can write B and again double A I can write, right? So after writing B over here, A is alone here, then triple A I can make, right? So triple A B, again triple A B, the series came, correct or not? Triple A B, again triple A B, so it was in series, right? Correct or not? So likewise, just complete 6, 7, 8 also, kids. Next, it is one very easiest one, because comparing with the letters, numbers are very easy, right? You have to identify the difference between those numbers and you have to check out that the same pattern is following or not. See here, tick in the answer set which comes next, they asked. So first one is 135, then 246, 357, 468. So if you are checking it, one is here. First letter alone, first number alone, if you are checking 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you are checking for the second letter, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Then for the last one, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So if I am checking for the individual numbers, the numbers are getting repeated. That means the next value is coming, right? After 1, 2 coming, after 2, 3 coming, like that. After 5, 6 is coming, right? So after 4, it is 5. After 6, 7. After 8, 9. Whether that answer is there or not, 5, 7, 9. It is there, right? So that I have to circle it over here. This is clear or not? So coming back for the next one, 987, 876. If you are checking it, the same thing. First letter, if you are first number, second number, third number, like that. If you are splitting and if you are checking out 9, after 9, 8 coming. That means in reverse order. 9, 8, 7, 6. They're the same thing. 8, 7, 6, 5. 7, 6, 5, 4. So in a reverse order, it's coming in a sequence, right? So after, that means before 5, sorry, before 6, 5, 4, 3. Where is it? 5, 4, 3. Here it is, right? So this will be a next term for the second question. It's very easy, right? To check out. Yes. Now coming back here, 763, 963. So the thing is 200 is getting added with the next value, right? So if this value is there, I have to add 200, then the next value I will get. Likewise, the 200 is added with the each value, right? So if I am adding a 200 with a 1363, then I will get 1563. So this is the series of it. Is it clear? So next one, 1101, 1202, 1303. That means 101 is getting added with the each value. You could see or not, 101 is getting added with the each value. So if I am adding 101 with the 1404, then I will get 1505. So that is the answer for the fourth one. It's clear or not? So again, in the same manner, if you're checking for all the other questions, you can identify the pattern and you can mark it out. So one more I will do it. 7062 for 6052. If you're checking for the first value, 1000, in 1000 value also, 1 is getting reduced. In tens value also, 1 is getting reduced. Correct? So 1010 is getting reduced. Correct or not? 7062, 6052, 5042, 4032. So if I am reducing 1000, then 3032. If I am reducing 10's value also, so 3022. Whether it is available or not. Yes, it is here. 3022. So that will be the answer for fifth question. Is it clear? Likewise, you have to complete for the next activities. So now this time I'm giving you a whole exercise as a homework. Anyway, you are going to complete for each of the exercise, the bottom one and all. With that, you have to complete a whole exercise of F now. That is very easiest exercise only. For that only I have given that for you. So next comes a G exercise, okay? So in this, if you are checking 7,250, 7,150, 7,050. So when I am reading itself, you would have identified, right? What? 100 is getting reduced, right? So if I am reducing 100 with the 6,950, I will get 6,850. If I am reducing 6,100 with the 6,750, then I will get 6,650. Correct? So like that, for the next one, if you are checking 4,111, if you are checking it, 4 is remaining same. All the three letters to one letter is getting added. 111 here, 222, like that, 333, 444. So again 4,555, 4,888 will be the answer for this. Correct? 4,888. Correct or not? Because the 4 is remaining same, the next three letters is getting added with 1 value. That means it is not the same number is getting added. The number itself getting changed. Correct? So check out for the this one. 2090. 1980. That means the 1000 value, not in the 1000 value. If I am what's called subtracting these two numbers, then what is the result of it? 110, right? So I have to subtract 110 with the each value. So if I am subtracting 110 with this, so 100 if I am subtracting 1770 will come. 10 if I am subtracting 1760 will come. So that will be the answer for this. So the likewise 1540, 1000 if I am subtracting 110, then I will get 1430 as an answer. Correct? So the same pattern, same series was followed to subtract also here, right? So next one, 2 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2. If I am checking this, four numbers are available, right? So first number is getting added 1 value. So 1 2 3 4 5 like that. Second two values, that means second and third value is getting added 1. So 22, 33, 44 should come. 55, 66, 77 should come, right? Likewise 1 2 3 4. So first and last value is getting added with 1. In between value is added with 1. So all the values, if I am adding 1111, then I will get the next value. She's check out over here 2. So 3 I can write 3 3. So I can write 4 4. 2 is here. So I can write 3. So what will be the answer? So what will be the answer? So 2 4 4 3 will be the answer. That means 3 4 4 3 will be the answer over here. So likewise, you can complete for the remaining also, kids. So the next, that means after G, we are having some more number series, right? Those number series we will continue in the next class. Okay? Thank you all.